Maayong adlaw sa tanan. Today, I'm going to share my knowledge about making a bahug bahug. Bahug bahug is very common sa Mindanao. Mura siya, kung sa Mindanao, Visayas, we call it bahug bahug. Consists of, it's a bread pudding. Today, I'm going to teach you about the bahug bahug. So first, we have two parts of the ingredients. We have the dough and the filling. The filling is mainly the bread, the leftover bread in the house. And then you have to recycle it into a new, fresh bahug bahug. So sa dough, we have 4 cups flour. We have 1 cup vegetable oil. We have 1 and 1/2 cup fresh milk. 1/4 sugar. Salt, a dash of salt. 1 egg. And now we will put the vegetable oil. And then the fresh milk. Actually, I use the homogenized milk, the 325%. Okay. And sugar. Egg. Just add 1 egg. Oh, diva. And then a dash of salt. There you go. A dash of salt. And then yeast. 1/2 teaspoon lang ang yeast. Kaya dili man siya katumuon yun. So, 1/2 teaspoon lang. Kamay lang. Oh, I'm using the quick rice fleshman's yeast. Okay, so 1/2 lang. 1/2 teaspoon yeast. There you go. Seal it before it will get exposed. And then, wala na mo katingala na kay ako ng supervisor nga itumo. South African supervisor, my friend. Okay. So, I will do now I will put the flour. There's a flour and then the hook. The kneading hook. There you go. And then start blending. Ay, wala man na on. Gracious. Wala na on. Kuyaw na ko yan. There. Okay. Blend it very well. Okay, doc. So this one, it's already here. The consistency should be like this. Elastic. Okay. So just set aside for like 10 to 15 minutes until you finish your filling. Okay. Now we'll go to filling of the bahug bahug. The filling is bread. I had it already. Kunis-kunis na ako ang bread. 1 egg again. 1 can evaporated milk. 1 can condensed milk. 2 tablespoons of vanilla. I don't put too much. I put less than 2 tablespoons because I hate vanilla. Although everybody loves it, but not me. So the red coloring for the red bahug bahug. Okay, let's start. Egg. The egg. Oops. 1 can evap. Wait. Okay. It's in a gray hand. I'm opening the evaporated milk. There you go. So 1 can evaporate. 1 egg, 1 can evaporated milk. There. Yun ra kaay ni dali ra kay mo makakaon ani as in fresh pa ang inyong bread, fresh pa ang inyong snack kaysa magpalit mo dito sa Filipino store, no way. And then oh shoot. And then bit because I don't like the smell of vanilla. And then the red coloring to make it red. I like it. I don't need that much. So mix. Yeah, mix. Look, it's red. It's red now. And then add the bread. Add the leftover bread. There. Hi again. So, naluto na ang bahug-bahug. Look. The square one. This is the square pan size. And the round one size. The round one, I will put it at the bottom here. So, it will be bigger a little bit. Okay, so I will scrape because it stick to the side. Init pa ba agad ni pero ako na rin kung anong ganda. There. Okay, here. So, then I will put it underneath here so it will be bigger a little bit. There you go. There, look. So this one, I will slice it now. See the bahug bahug there? That's the bahug bahug of Sanong in Cagayan de Oro. BAREVET bahug bahug red velvet cake.